The holidays are here, and nothing screams holiday feast like a classic roast beef dinner. I headed over to my local Metro Ontario to browse their wide variety of quality meats and custom cuts like the Angus Striploin for this incredible feast. I also got ingredients I needed for tasty sides. First, we blend garlic, fresh herbs, and olive oil to marinate your beef cut of choice like this beautiful Angus Striploin roast I got in Metro. Season, rub with the herb mixture, and let marinate. Then we bake until desired doneness. Roast beef is not the same without some beautifully roasted potatoes. We boil our potatoes in some water with salt and baking soda, season with more salt and pepper and olive oil, and toss. Bake until golden brown and crispy. Then for some side veg like these honey glazed carrots, buttered peas, and some pan-seared rapini. Take any drippings and add some butter. If you don't have enough drippings, add flour, beef stock, season, and whisk to make your gravy. Finally, make your Yorkshire pudding, which is eggs, flour, milk, and salt, baked in fat until golden brown and puffed. Slice your beef and serve.